There, so we're taking a look at lesson 2.3. So what you're going to want to do now, this is for maroon and silver cohorts. You are going to take a look at lesson 2.3 in your online textbook, which you should be registered for by now. And what I want you to do is you're going to read this, and it's going to talk about the basics of algorithms. And then I assigned you this video, and you don't have to do this video here because you already took a look at this video in 2.3 Algorithms Basics. So when you see 2.31, and I'll just move that in place for you, the video from this page is the video in the Edpuzzle in 2.1. So you don't have to watch it again if you did the Edpuzzle. If you didn't, do the Edpuzzle first. And then there's this POGIL activity for the classroom. Now, if you are in class, we'll do this in class with me on the first part of the week. If you are a part of the remote group, because Silver is remote early in the week, and you work asynchronously, you can get together in groups online. On this particular assignment, this is not my policy forever, but on this particular assignment, if you have to work alone because you could not connect to anyone else in the class, I understand, but this is much easier to work on with someone else, and it goes much faster if you work with someone else. And it's about solving mazes. And it talks about what a robot can do, and then it has you doing some maze solves. Now, where is this? You're going to use the worksheet that is attached to this assignment. So we go to this assignment right here, and you see that I gave you this particular worksheet right here. And the worksheet asks you to identify who's in your group and what they did, and then read what the maze can do, and then solve the robot problem. And then read these questions carefully. And then I want you to reflect at the end how things went. So those are all the questions you're going to have to answer. And then this is what you're going to have at the end of it. All of that is stuff that you can do as a result of looking at the video that is on this page. On this page right here. All of this is just the lessons that you worked on, and there's some things here. Finally, last thing to look at. In order to get credit for this, you have to finish these questions right here. And you'll notice when you go in here and you see which of the following is not true about algorithms, you're going to check one of these boxes, one of these radio buttons, and then you're going to click check answer. And you're going to discover that the check answer, if you're wrong, you're going to have a chance to answer it a second time, okay? So do this until you understand the correct answers all the way through it. Then, and this is super important, you see this thing says next page? Finish the POGIL worksheet, finish the page questions, then click next page and click submit on the assignment. Make sure you do that. Again, finish the POGIL worksheet on robotics, then finish the extra questions, this is what's called the self-checks, then finish right down here where it says next page. I hope that helps. Good luck.